Having a fleet of heavy goods vehicles in a tough industry requires regular inspections, pickup and delivery coordination, and a lot of paperwork to fill out. Meet Crate, a brand new app developed by RTAS to digitize and simplify the way you work with your vehicles and teams. Unlike traditional paper-based forms used, drivers and workshop managers can access and submit reports anytime, anywhere with Crate, even when without an internet connection. The inspection process starts as soon as an NFC tag is scanned on the vehicle. The driver goes through their checklist, scanning tags from section to section once they're happy. If a defect is found, the driver can simply take a picture of the issue, add a short description and submit it to the report. Once the checklist has been completed, the workshop manager is immediately notified if the vehicle requires attention. Implementing Crate automates your inspection workflow from end to end. This creates a more compliant process and efficient way of documenting data when compared to traditional paper-based methods. Location coordinates and timestamps are added whenever using Crate, allowing for tracking of jobs and maintaining accountability. Now that the vehicle is ready, the transport manager can assign it to a task using Crate's back-end platform. The driver can then see where they're going and what they are doing. Once the driver has arrived at their destination, they can hit Arrived on the app. Location information along with pictures of the materials for the task can be captured and submitted. Crate also gives the ability to produce a physical ticket if required on site using a printer in the cab. Using Crate's business insights and dashboards can quickly track key performance indicators, deliver crucial time-saving statistics, and provide trends. It allows for seamless sharing of information with third parties that may require digital documentation. Get in touch today to begin your journey with Crate.